During most sovereign encounters, the worst that might happen are a few aggressive comments back and forth and a good laugh from the arresting officer. But in this case, things progressed to something far worse than anyone could have imagined. Real quick, an approach like this with the tint that dark, it's always super dangerous for the officer. Tinted windows are a nightmare for cops.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good, I'm Officer Farmington Police. The reason for the stop today is there's no registration on your vehicle.
I don't need registration and I don't answer questions.
Alrighty.
Partially rolled down window, we've seen this before. I don't answer questions and the registration is not needed. This is definitely sovereign talk.
Davis, Fox 21, can you have a couple more heading my way? Is this back window rolled down?
Why do you need to know that?
I just want to make sure that you're the only one in the vehicle. So here's the deal, man. I'm stopping you because there's no registration on your vehicle and I'm requesting your identification. Okay? You are detained at this time and you are not free to leave.
Something important to note here, police don't normally ask for a couple more units. Normally we ask for another unit. If you ask for more than one, officers listening to the radio are gonna know that something is likely up here.
Are you gonna provide me your identification?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, so I'm gonna take that as a no, that you're not going to provide me your identification. Is that the route we're going? Or would you like to provide your identification to me and we can have a conversation, we can discuss the laws that you're breaking, and then we can go from there.
If you want my identification, you will be under duress and you accept surety and trusteeship over it. Meaning you will be responsible for any debts that you are trying to incur here.
Surety, debts, bond, duress, 100% down the sovereign line.
Okay, so I'm not trying to incur any debts or anything. I'm trying to investigate why your vehicle doesn't have any registration.
1692, you are trying to incur a debt and legal action for something
Okay.
that is not allowed.
Okay.
And under
So,
Title 18, Section
here's-
245, traveling is a federally protected activity. in which
I understand what you're saying.
involved in.
I understand what you're saying. And what I'm telling you is that you do not have an option to identify yourself.
I do.
You are lawfully required to identify yourself. So you can provide your identification to me and we can have a conversation about the laws that you've broken, or you can fail to identify it to me and we can go that route too. I'm perfectly okay with either way you want to go, but the direction that this encounter goes is 100% in your hands.
Utah Code, United States Code,
Okay.
is a corporate policy
Okay.
in which you have to be contracted and to be required to follow it. Unless
Okay.
you can provide me a contract with my wet ink signature on it saying that I'm required to follow it,
Okay?
then there is
So do you
nothing
want
I'm
to
obligated
identify yourself to me, or do you want to go a different route? Wonderful. Do you have a driver license as well?
I am not giving you jurisdiction.
Okay.
Do not
Hand-
stop, do not detain. You are not allowed to stop me.
Let me see that.
On your list
I
saying that
didn't
you're
see
not
what you
allowed
just
to-
tried to show me. Can you show that to me again? What's this?
This is a passport. It says do not stay at, do not detain. And if you go on to the first page,
Okay.
it says the United States hereby requests all who may it concern
Okay.
to permit the citizens
Here's what I'm telling you.
of the United States named herein to
Here's what I'm telling you.
without delay or hindrance.
Okay.
You are
Will you hand that to me so I can read it? You want me to look at it through this tiny crack in your
I am not
window?
handing it to you.
You're not going to hand it to me?
If I hand this to you, you accept trusteeship and surety, and you are obligated.
Sure, I'll accept
debts.
trustingship if you just hand me the document so I can identify who you are, because you're required by state law.
I am not
Thank you
required
so
to
much,
identify
Mr.
myself.
Chase Allen.
That is not me. That is a piece of plastic paper.
So you have a fraudulent passport?
No. that is a
Wonderful.
piece of paper.
That's what I'm hearing. Okay, step out of the car for me.
No.
Sir, step out of the vehicle
No.
right now.
I am not required to.
Step
If
out
you
of this
try and
vehicle
force
right
me,
now.
Then we're going to have an issue where you're
Step
gonna
out
have
of the
to
car
come
right now.
Don't step out of the car. We're going to break the window and pull you out. Step out of the car.
Ceasefire! Ceasefire!
Fox 20, we got shots fired. Shots fired.
Sarge, step back. Sarge, step back.
Sarge, step back. Show us your fucking hands.
Show us your hands. Don't move.
Fucking hands. Here, I'm going to go. Keep him on gun. Keep him on gun. Keep him on gun.
Okay, I'm coming up. Coming up. Close in here. Close in here. Is everybody good?
Yeah, has anybody get hit?
Did he shoot?
I don't have any fucking idea. My fucking gun jammed, so I had to drop my mag. Your mag's here. Yeah, that's mine, because it's fucking jammed. Hey, somebody grab that IFAC real quick. I got you.
IFAC, individual first aid kit.
Here you go. Here you go. I got an IFAC right here. Okay. I got a glove up.
Hold on. Yeah, he's showing my gloves on.
Who's got a...
I don't know. He looks like he's got one. Where's this guy? Possibly.
There's a lot to unpack here. These officer involved are really, really challenging. Officers discharging their firearm are a small percentage of the officers on a department. 5 in this incident discharged their firearm, and I happen to be in the group of officers who has discharged their firearm in the line of duty. There's a lot to unpack, and this still isn't done.
Who shot? I did.
Come here. I did.
You're out. Here. Let's do medical first.
We got plenty of help.
I know, but let's just check medical first. Okay. We got multiple chest.
Hey, we got other people. Come on, I got you, dude. Come here. Hey, he's yours. You got him?
I shot 2.
A couple of things. People always say, why do you handcuff people after they shot? Police don't make the determination if a person is pronounced dead at the scene. The procedure is to handcuff for liability purposes. You never know what can potentially happen. And then that determination is made later when the handcuffs are taken off the person. You can also see here where they're saying who and they want to separate the person from still engaging in interacting with the suspect at the scene. This is a very challenging and dynamic situation that's unfolding in front of us.
Am I going to turn this off?
Leave it on.
Leave it on for now?
How are you?
I'm good.
Do you want to sit in my car?
No. Hey, Kelly. Can you grab my phone so I can call my wife? Or your phone just so I can call her?
Do you know our number?
Yeah. Can I just go walk over here and
Yes.
call her?
Let
Pop
me
these off. I didn't do anything with them.
get my Bluetooth off so it doesn't connect to my phone.
My car's in the scene. It was my stop. You good, brother?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I'm good.
I've got Justin.
I know. I'm not talking about Justin.
So this is another officer's perspective. Some other things that we can glean from watching from this side of the vehicle.
So you have a fraudulent passport? Wonderful. That's what I'm hearing. Okay, step out of the car for me. Step out of the car right
If you don't step out of the car, we're gonna break the window and pull you out. Step out of the car.
Gun.
Now, there's some things that people who shoot will understand what's happened here with this officer from this perspective. His gun jammed at least 2 times. He was able to do a combat reload and engage the suspect again. But you'll notice that after the ceasefire is called, he again. Now, I'm not saying that this was a bad shot, but what happens is when people are in the mix and he's trained several times that to recharge his firearm, that he automatically re-engages the suspect. This is just part of the process when you're engaged, when you don't know for sure what's happening with the suspect. This happens in milliseconds.
Davis Fox 20, we got shots fired. Sarge, step back. Sarge, step back.
This is another officer's body cam, and now we're going to see a couple of other things that I'm going to point out to you that are incredibly important that you can understand when you're watching a scene like this.
Sir, step out of the vehicle right now. Step out of this vehicle right now. Sir. Step out of the car right now.
If you don't step out of the car, we're gonna break the window and pull you out. Step out of the car.
Gun.
Crossfire. You often hear people say crossfire when multiple people shoot. Remember, 5 officers discharged their firearms in this situation. And imagine the situation that they're in where the suspect's in the middle and the officers are all engaging in crossfire is an incredibly dangerous situation that a lot of people don't realize. The other thing is, this is a pretty busy street that we're seeing here where you're seeing multiple cars pass in front. Those don't necessarily always stop. And I've seen situations where the officers are engaging a suspect and their rounds actually overshoot where they're trying to aim and puts other people potentially in danger.
We have medical response, please.
Is everybody good?
Yeah, is anybody get hit?
No, did he shoot?
I don't have any fucking idea. My fucking gun jammed, so I had to drop my mag.
Radio good? Your mag's right here.
Yeah, that's mine, because it fucking jammed.
You can see so many different vehicles passing in front of this car, and those people are potentially in the line of sight of some of these officers' rounds. It's incredibly dangerous.
Sir, step out of the vehicle right now.
I am not required to.
Step out of this vehicle right now.
And we're going to have an issue.
Sir, step out of the car right
If you
now.
don't step out of the car, we're gonna break the window and pull you out. Step out of the car.
Step out of this vehicle right now. Sir, step out of the car right
If you
now.
don't step out of the car, we're gonna break the window and pull you out. Step out of the car.
Gun.
Another good view of the plate, and also where the Crossfire and the other vehicles that are potentially going in front of this line of fire of this officer.
Davis Fox 21, we're pulling into the post office parking lot.
This is where the car stop actually begins, and the officer calls out this plate. Now, I can tell you from police experience, if the officer calls out a plate like this, which is very clearly a sovereign-looking plate with this American, Utah citizen or whatever it says here, it's not a normal plate. Officers hear that, and they might start rolling to his stop because they know the propensity with violence that officers have had in the past with sovereigns.
I'm stopping you because there's no registration on your vehicle, and I'm requesting your identification. Okay? You are detained at this time, and you are not free to leave. Are you going to provide me your identification?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, so I'm going to take that as a no.
The density of traffic here shows how precarious and dangerous this is with this that has just occurred, the number of vehicles that have driven by the area.
Step out of this vehicle right now.
Then we're going to have an issue where
Step out of the car right
You
now.
don't step out of the car, we're gonna break the window and pull you out. Step out of the car.
Gun.
Shots fired.
25-year-old Chase Allen succumbed to his injuries, and a firearm was found in the passenger seat of the vehicle. The officers were investigated by the Davis County DA's office and found to be not in violation of any policy. Ultimately, they were cleared of any wrongdoing in this case. Still a very unfortunate situation that occurred, but still brings the gravity of the interactions that can occur with the sovereign citizens during these kinds of vehicle stops. If you like this kind of content, like and subscribe, and click on the video on the screen to see more content like this.